So today I will be installing the AC coil that's not working anymore because my AC just went kaput. These are the tools I'll be using. Screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet with a 10 millimeter. This is a 5 millimeter Allen wrench attached to a 1/2 inch. These kind of pliers to get to the rings, and of course the impact wrench. And we shall be starting by removing those stuff. Okay, these are two 10 millimeters. Is a screwdriver. Just pry it out. Comes right out, and one more on the bottom. Watch out. Okay. And then the next thing I did was take the 5 millimeter Allen and just use my impact wrench and just take that bolt out first. Okay, there we go. And then the hardest part is moving this belt. Okay. What I did was I took a 1/2 inch ratchet extension. I'll show you in a second. Pause it. Okay. So I used a 21 mm socket for this, and this is the hardest part. You'll have to pull this belt like this, the ribs facing you, while cranking it left, and then hopefully the belt catches onto the rim, and you do it slowly until it comes out. So you just keep doing it slowly and it'll come out eventually. A lot of muscle, a lot of work, but it'll come out. So that's how you do it. And to put it back in, you put the belt on the top first, and then the bottom you just kind of put it on the edge while pushing it in and turning this at the same time, and it'll go in one rib at a time. But the hardest part is pulling it out, which you got to pull it exactly like this. Pull it while cranking this, and then it'll catch on the lip and then it'll come out. Be careful of your fingers. That's it. Okay, so after you remove this, just be careful. There's two shims in there. I mean, the kit comes with this, so it doesn't matter. So then after that, you would have to use this special pliers, and you would have to do this, stick it in the hole, and then push, and then it comes out. And then after that comes out, this, you just wiggle it, and then it comes off. And then after that, you still have another O-ring, and you use the same pliers again, stick it in the hole, and push, and then it comes out. And then after that, you got this magnetic coil. So what I did was that the wire in the back gets looped behind it gets looped behind the compressor, so I couldn't reach it. So what I did was I cut it, and then I used wire crimp, and I just crimped it, and that works perfectly. So after that, there's this metal nump right here, and there's a nump on the back of that, so you just put it against it, and then it should fit flush. And then you just take the O-rings, and then you have to use the pliers and put it back in. So it goes magnetic coil, O-ring, and then this guy goes right over it, slides right over it real easy. And then another O-ring. And then the new one comes with 2 shims. You stick the shims in here, 2 of them, and then you just stick it in, and then you get the screw over here with the 5mm, and then you just screw it in, and then you're done. And then the the pulley, very difficult. You just gotta put it, what I did was I wrapped it on the top side, and then on the bottom I pushed it against the lip, and then I turned it while pushing against it, and it'll go in 1 rib at a time. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Any other Mazda 3 issues you want me to help you with, drop me an email. Thank you very much.